DC Types here. So my niche within the typewriter business is very rare, very collectible machines that are mechanically sound. So I occasionally get something that's a bit of a display piece because I've been scouring auctions all over the world to find really unique and interesting typewriters. This would be one of them. This is a 1920s German Gundka. I had never seen one like this. So you select either a letter, a number, or a symbol, and here is the drum. This will rotate when you select this, and this is from the 1920s in Germany. Fairly simple design. These are the ribbons. And there's this ribbon over here with the ribbon cover. And you'll see that they have this font. These are the letters that you can select. And I'm actually not really sure exactly how this works. You can move and adjust, and then you select the case, and then there are these buttons that presumably that cause this to move forward or backward and type. But it clearly needs a little bit of work and servicing. It's mounted on this wood piece. You can remove it. One of the challenges with working on these very rare and collectibles is there aren't parts. So yeah, and I'm gonna have to replace the platen. So I'll send it to like the one company that still does that, and hope that that they can take care of that for me. But I really love these unique pieces, and it comes with this cool. This is the metal case that it comes in. It's got this green interior that looks super cool. It's exceedingly Art Deco in that fashion of the day, but these are very rare machines. So I'm kind of establishing my brand as DC Types as being for writers who are interested in distraction-free writing, to some degree collectors. I do specialize in kind of these rare machines, and I'm interested in people who use antiquities and collectibles, specifically typewriters, as investments, because these are actually exceptional investments. There will never be more, and there is kind of a constant increase in interest in these, and they are just fascinating examples of industrial design, history, the written word. It's a whole fascinating world that people day by day gain more interest in. After all, you're here, aren't you?